Good afternoon. I'm Rizal Joyce Isip. I will be introducing the persona that we created, which is Anxious Anna. Let's delve into her unique persona and learn more about her. This is Anxious Anna. She is a young woman living in Mandaluyong and she's juggling her work and studies. So Anna's age bracket is between 18 to 23 years old, a female. She is a working student facing struggles or her weakness is having low self esteem. But despite that, Anna has a strength of being a self reliant woman. In her free time, Anna finds comfort in playing mobile games and browsing social media sites. So that's all for our persona. Let's move on to our next reporter.
Good day, everyone. I'm Jerwin Jandi Vanessa, and I will discuss a brief background about RICO. I will discuss about the problems of the target market and detailed description of the target market. So, the problems of the target market are certain individuals have issues when it comes to their social life. Some people think that they may not interact well with others, and some individuals have low self-esteem. Anxiety affects the mental health of an individual that also adds up in causing problems and issues when it comes to socializing. These problems create a barrier for people to connect with others. So, the next is the detailed description of the target market. The target market are those people who have a hard time communicating and connecting with other people, such as introverts and people with mental health problems like anxiety. An introvert is a person that possesses traits associated with introversion, meaning that they like to focus on their own inner ideas and thoughts as opposed to what is going on outside of themselves. Moreover, the World Health Organization (WHO) estimates that 4% of the global population experiences anxiety disorder. Most people suffering with anxiety do not have a choice but to lessen their communication with other people because of their condition. So that's all for the brief background, and thank you.
So for our technology-based solution, our group decided to create a mobile game, and that game is called Recove. So what is Recove? Recove is a game that allows and challenges players to navigate through a series of interconnected rooms or levels by forming and breaking bonds with players and objects in the environment. So we came up with this idea as we know that playing games can take away the anxiousness of a person. We also believe that this game can help the people who has the same attitude or situation with our persona, which is Anxious Anna. This game have features that can make the player be interactive and healthy all at the same time. The game will allow the user to customize or personalize his or her character for them to have the freedom to express themselves at least through the game. Furthermore, the game has activities such as messaging, visiting a friend, and doing some light exercise. So to explain further, yung game na ginawa namin is mag-a-allow siya sa player na mag-select first ng character, either boy or girl, and then pwede nila to bihisan, pwede bihisan ni user, depende sa kung anong gusto niya. Na also, every character is merong sariling room or house and pwede din nila yun i-customize accordingly. And since meron nga sari-sariling room yung every character, pwede nila i-visit yung room ng isa't isa and pwede rin sila mag-chat to interact with each other. So, as added feature pa, meron ding option to exercise si user. So, she can follow the steps shown in the game para sa ganung paraan hindi lang nakaupo or nakahiga si user since we all know that doing exercises can also freshen up our minds. So, that's it for our technology-based solution.
So, how the tech-based solution address the needs of the persona? So, let's go to the features of the app to answer this question. So, first, the user gets to choose their nationality. So, ginawa natin to para maging diverse yung environment ng app. So, the next one is the player gets to choose their own character. So, customizable siya. Pwede siyang maging katulad ng sarili mong looks and style. So, very relaxing yung outcome neto when it comes sa mga taong naglalaro since may free will sila gawin yung mga bagay na gusto nilang gawin sa character nila. So next is home customization. So we add this feature para makita natin or ma-priority natin yung nararamdaman ni user towards dun sa dream room na gusto niya. Since etong mga room na to is customizable from theme and also yung mga accessories na pwedeng ilagay dito sa room na to. Bale, hindi lang room ang pwede i-customize, kundi pati rin yung mga kasuotan ni user. So from let's say if you have a boy character, you can have some boy accessories, and if you have a girl character, you can have some girl accessories. However, pwede rin naman siyang magsuot ng any type of accessories regardless din sa gender ni user para mas maging open tayo sa gender ng bawat isa. Para naman dun sa pinaka-target nating solution para sa mga taong nakakaranas ng anxiety and depression, so we add this feature which is yung exercise na kung saan inspired siya sa larong Just Dance. Nasusundan mo lang yung character mo sa screen mo and also may camera siyang nakikita ka kung nahi-hit mo ba yung bawat steps. So in this way, we create na active lifestyle na pinakakailangan ni user. Lastly is the socials. Dito pwede mag-visit si user ng other room, ng friend niya, and also pwede sila makipag-socialize through messaging chat. In this way, matutulungan natin si user na makipag-interact sa other player and also makipag-socialize. And that's all. Thanks for listening.